Are you entranced by the siren song of traditional fitness methods, or are you ready to orchestrate a symphony of total body engagement? This question may ignite some discourse, but it's one that we must play out. For many, the pursuit of fitness has become a single-note melody, repeating the same routines over and over again. But do these workouts truly conduct us towards our ultimate health objectives? Traditional fitness methods, while not lacking in benefits, often lure us into focusing on isolated muscle groups, neglecting the symphony of total body engagement. In a dissonant harmony of strength and flexibility, like a broken record, increasing our vulnerability to injury. Furthermore, our bodies, as quicksilver as they are, swiftly acclimate to these monotonous workouts, leading to the dreaded plateau. We find ourselves stuck in a silent track, unable to progress despite pressing play repeatedly. The time has come to turn the volume up on these to the norm. Because in the quest for true health and fitness, shouldn't we be composing more than just going through the motions? Perhaps it's time to shatter the illusion and rethink our fitness. Our traditional workout routines can often feel akin to a monotonous lullaby, lulling your fitness goals into a deep slumber. It's like being stuck in a never-ending cycle of the same old drills, the same old exercises again and again. This boredom and repetition is enough to make even the most dedicated fitness enthusiast reconsider their choices. It's like being trapped in a fitness-themed groundhog. The joke is on you, and there's no Bill Murray to lighten the mood. Such routines, relentless, brutal, and frankly repetitive, can lead to frustration and stagnation. Overexertion in workouts can be likened to a dangerous addiction. You find yourself pushing harder, lifting heavier, sprinting faster, all in the name of progress, but this extreme can lead form. Before you realize it, you could find yourself sidelined with an injury. It's a harsh reality, isn't it? The very activity you embark on to enhance your health could be threatening your well-being. Meanwhile, these monotonous workout routines, with their dull rhythm, can dampen your enthusiasm and hinder progress. This familiar tune could make you question your sanity. A fitness regimen should be beneficial, not detrimental. The harsh reality of conventional workout regimes is that they can be relentless, severe, and quite frankly, monotonous. But remember, there is a way to escape this cycle, a way to break through the barriers, lessen the risk of injury, and reignite your passion for fitness. Stay tuned, as we're about to introduce a workout that is far from ordinary. A workout that is adaptable, challenging, and enjoyable. A workout that could completely change the game for you, but for now, keeping you in suspense. In the meantime, don't hesitate to break the trance and check out the description box for more information. And remember, it's time to reclaim your fitness journey. The kettlebell is akin to a magic wand, wielding the power to engage your entire body in a single workout. This seemingly unassuming weight, often ignored in the corners of fitness centers, is in truth a power-packed key to a comprehensive workout. Thanks to its distinctive design and weight distribution, the kettlebell elevates routine, full-body engagement, boosting calorie burn, strengthening and enhancing both balance and coordination. So what's the magic trick here? It's the kettlebell's ability to activate numerous muscle groups at once, providing a compact gym at your fingertips. And just like a secret spell, kettlebell exercises put a keen focus on functional fitness. We're talking about workouts that mimic everyday movements, aiding you in executing daily tasks with greater efficiency. For example, a kettlebell swing can better your ability to lift heavy objects from the floor, while a kettlebell press can enhance your overhead lifting prowess. That's the beauty of this type of fitness. It seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle, improving your day-to-day abilities. The charm of the kettlebell extends even further, providing the variety needed to break through those frustrating workout plateaus. The variety of weights and plethora of exercises you can perform with a kettlebell offer the diversity your body craves to sustain progress. Switching between a kettlebell swing, a goblet squat, and a Turkish get-up keeps your muscles growing. So next you're at the gym, don't just overlook that kettlebell. A swing, a lift, press. You just find out how demanding and fulfilling a kettlebell workout can be. Time to step outside your comfort zone and unlock the power of the kettlebell. The kettlebell could be the magic potion you've been waiting. Think of a captivating rhythm that's as diverse, engaging, and transformative as a captivating dance. That's kettlebell training. This simple yet powerful tool, frequently ignored in the gym's corner, could be the key to the challenges we've previously discussed. Consider this. We have all experienced the monotony of regular workouts, such as running on a treadmill or lifting weights. But what if your exercise routine could be a graceful dance, an orchestra of movement that keeps you coming back for more? Introducing the kettlebell. Single piece of equipment provides a diverse spectrum of exercises that cater to your every need and desire. From swings to snatches, from goblet squats to Turkish get-ups, the range is unlimited. The most exciting part? Each exercise engages your whole body, turning your workout into a harmonious concert of muscles cooperating. The kettlebell doesn't only promote muscle growth, it enhances functional strength for everyday activities like lifting, carrying, pushing, pulling. It's not about merely looking good in the mirror, though that's a pleasant added benefit. It's about feeling good in your body, moving with confidence and grace. However, the benefits of kettlebell training aren't just physical. They're like requiring focus, coordination, and balance. It's as much a workout for your mind as it is for your body, keeping you alert. Let's not forget the convenience. With just one kettlebell, you can work out anytime, anywhere. You don't need pricey gym memberships or clunky home equipment. It's fitness that aligns with your lifestyle, on your terms. Kettlebell workouts aren't just a fad, a revolution in fitness, as captivating as a hypnotic. Are you prepared to break the enchantment? Here's how to embark on a journey with kettlebells. First off, like finding the right key to unlock a door, you need to choose your kettlebell. This isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. The right kettlebell for you is like a personalized key. It depends on your current fitness level and objectives. As a beginner, a wise rule is to start with a weight you can comfortably lift for 10 to 15 repetitions. This could be a kettlebell weighing anywhere between 10 to 25 pounds. Always remember, it's about the form and control, not the weight. Now, let's delve into the basic exercises that can set your path. The enchanting kettlebell swing, the powerful goblet squat, and the transformative kettlebell press. The kettlebell swing is a fantastic fundamental move. It targets your hamstrings, glutes, and core, while also giving your heart rate a magical boost. Here's the method. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, hold the kettlebell with both hands in front of you. Bend at your hips, swing the kettlebell back between your legs, and then thrust. Thrust your hips forward to swing the kettlebell up to shoulder height. Following this, we have the mighty kettlebell goblet squat. This is a comprehensive body exercise that primarily targets your quads and glutes. To perform this exercise, hold the kettlebell close to your chest, squat down as if you're sitting back into a mystic throne, then ascend back up to a standing position. Lastly, let's not forget about the transformative kettlebell press. This move works your shoulders, triceps, and core. Begin by holding the kettlebell, then press it up until your arm is straight. The key to successful kettlebell workout is form and consistency. If you are new to kettlebells, it's advised to seek guidance from a wise mentor or trainer to observe your form and ensure you're performing correctly. With kettlebells, your fitness journey can be as dynamic and powerful as you are. So what are you waiting for? Break the spell, grab a kettlebell, and let's get started. The spell is about to be broken. Are you ready for the awakening? Together we've embarked on an enlightening journey through the twisted maze of fitness misconceptions, shattering the illusions of traditional workouts. Do you remember the hypnotic treadmill hours that promised so much yet delivered little, the repetitive weightlifting sessions that drained your energy, leaving you empty rather than fulfilled? Like a magician revealing his mysterious tool, we introduced the kettlebell. This magical tool holds the power to transform your workouts, incorporating a holistic body approach and introducing the enchanting diversity you've craved. It's not just about physical brute, it's about flexibility, stamina, and balance as well. This compact, bewitching powerhouse has the power to change the game, acting as the antidote to stale and monotonous routines. Advance in your fitness journey with a wave of a magic wand. Experience the charm of a kettlebell workout today. Check the video description for the details of this entrancing act, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your revolution, your awakening, starts now. Are you prepared to embark on a magical journey of fitness advancement? If you've been with us, you've witnessed the enchanting power of the kettlebell. But what you've experienced so far is just the sprinkle of fairy dust at the start. Picture yourself with the kettlebell as your wand, casting a variety of challenging yet exciting spells, also known as exercises. The kettlebell isn't merely an object, it's a magical companion, urging you to push past your boundaries, cheering you on as you scale new heights. We've observed people cast the spell transformation on their bodies, their mindset, and their entire lives using the mystical kettlebell. And we have faith in your ability to do it as well. This is not an illusion. This is not a temporary charm. This is a journey, a revolution, a mystical transformation into a new lifestyle. But the magic continues. We have so much more enchantment to reveal. In our forthcoming video, we'll transport you further into the magical realm of advanced kettlebell training, unveiling superior techniques to enhance your workouts and fast-track your SO. Are you ready for the next chapter in your fitness revolution? Stay tuned, because the journey has just begun. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your fitness evolution, your magical journey starts.